Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from liability claims with Nationwide, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To recover from liability claims with Nationwide, begin by gathering all relevant information about the incident. Collect any documents such as police reports, photographs, and witness statements. Next, contact Nationwide's customer service to report the claim. Provide them with the information you have gathered. Be prepared to answer questions about the circumstances of the incident. Once your claim is submitted, you will receive a claim number for reference. Wait for an adjuster to be assigned to your claim. The adjuster will review the details and may contact you for further information. Keep a record of all communications with the insurance adjuster. If you have any medical expenses or repair costs, compile those receipts. Monitor the progress of your claim by reaching out to the adjuster regularly. Be aware of any deadlines for submitting additional documentation. Once the claim is processed, the adjuster will provide a determination. If your claim is approved, you will receive a settlement offer. Review the settlement carefully and ask questions if any aspect is unclear. If you disagree with the settlement, discuss your concerns with the adjuster. Consider seeking legal advice if necessary to understand your options. Once you are satisfied with the settlement, follow the instructions provided to receive your payment. Finally, keep records of all interactions and documentation for future reference. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.